video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a Dart game script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which I'm going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. The script will cost you around $20. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, you just have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Now open the file, go to configs folder, then share.lua. So this is the configuration of the script. In the target system, I'll be changing the aux target to QB target. You can configure them according to your usage. And these are the configurations for lobby. And there are more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. So I'll be keeping them default for now. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. And this is the first location of our Dart game over here. And this is the location in the map. So now let's get inside the tequila. So this is the Dart game over here. You just have to interact the board with a target eye. Then click on join darts game. So this is the main menu of the Dart game. In the game selection, we will get two modes over here. In the player mode, we can select between solo and multiplayer. So I'll be keeping it on solo. And for the difficulty, I'll be keeping it on normal. And this is the status bar. Now let's start the game by clicking over here. In the bottom section, we will get the timer. Now let's aim. Okay. In the left section of the board, you can see the score is showing over there. You can change the movement of the dot with your mouse. We have to get the score which is showing up there. Now let's get our final score. And our game is completed now. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.